Hey, it's Doug from MAGNFI, and Vendasta's AI workforce chatbot is incredible. It is super responsive. It's amazing. But you know what's even more amazing? Adding video to that chatbot. It's super easy and super simple with the MAGNFI platform and the Create a Video Message Tool. In fact, we helped a Vendasta partner add one on, and it's incredible.
Awesome. Book a demo, callback, reply back. That's sweet.
Watch the video, and we'll show you exactly how to do it. Go ahead and click AI at your workforce. Yep. And then, go ahead and click on Lindsay there. So there's the capabilities there. And then go ahead and click Add a Capability. Yep. New capability. And then you can name it whatever you want, right? Yeah, this is to help you identify it later.
Do you have to do this for every video you put in it, or is it separate?
For every video you pop in there. Yep. Okay, cool. So the description, this is for reference too. A prompt that will set this up for you. Go ahead and copy. Yep, there you go. So now go back to your Howl Studios MAGNFI account, and then click on Create a Video Message. Click that, right? So now title this that case study video, because we're gonna upload it to your account, right? Let's go ahead and click Upload. So you obviously have a call to action here. You can say book a meeting here, book meeting, whatever you want to do, right? So now you want to use copy URL and thumbnail image. So go ahead and click that. And then head back over to your that prompt area. So and then go ahead and then toast all that, right? Then go ahead and hit done and hit save. Now, if you want to test it out, go to your website. So ask it a question based on do you have any case studies or whatever? There you go.
There it is. Look at that.
Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect.
Awesome. Book a demo, callback, reply back. That's sweet.